allow that revive to be happening at all by the looks of it. So looks like Youngs is heading off and trying to get himself to safety. 16 teams, 55 players remain, and we over here have a Navi, and they are near the graveyard area. A lot of teams are rotating in from the northern side. So from Monte Nuevo, you would expect some teams rotating in. Look at that circle. Who is that
Oh,
circle
yeah,
favoring
that's heading
Yangon
south.
Galacticas?
Yeah, look, there's nobody really in the circle. We've got Knights currently holding some ridgeline. BIG about to come through to zone through the big bowl. We've got a Goat Media heading around the south of Los Leones. They've got Furious Gaming behind them. Box is slowly making their way out of Puerto. Has a Dewa United, and Baonam also. Revo's still in El Pozo, and Navi making moves through circle as well. But
And Order's health is a bit low. They have the vehicles, but they would be
well,
looking
the
to.
Anchor, well, Paraboy may have spotted them out behind the rock there as Jimmy and Order a little bit closer here. The closer Order gets, the more trouble your team is in.
This nade is not looking bad. Oh, it doesn't take him out, but that looked super threatening. Paraboy coming in and trying to go. They have them literally pinned down over
Nice
here,
red
but.
frag, though. Takes a bit of the pressure. You've got to imagine King's about to come over the top of this one as well.
It has hit 0-0. The blue zone will be starting right now. King has gone for a knock over here, and the revive will be happening as well. They have the time for the revive. Paraboy is hungry, and he goes for the jump shot and finishes. 3 kills have come to Navi, and 2 of them have gone to Jimmy by the looks of it.
Yeah, good play there for Nova Esports.
Exactly. If you can make the SLR your friend, a lot of people will want to be your friend. But we have Paraboy over here who has spotted out players. He's going with the, as we said, the M16A.
Can you imagine if Paraboy started using bolt actions? Like, oh my god. Like, Paraboy with an all. I mean, if you see what he does with an M16, what would he do with the SLR?
Exactly, I was about to say, but we can only imagine what he would have done with an SLR. But M16A4, the recoil has been decreased by 10%, and as me and Gangsy the other day we were talking about, Paraboy's skills with the M16A4 has gone up by 10%, isn't it?
Yeah, they've buffed us. They're basically Paraboy and Nova getting involved in this fight here. They just got a knock onto Silence. I think they've got a couple of knocks.
Talking about knock, Navi has a player knocked as well as we speak and has been finished off.
Paraboy so close. You see that vehicle was smoke. Look at his car.
So we have ST on the high ground. So many times we have seen that they're hunting for the high ground on Miramar, and that's not too far away, but they would be they are 700 meters away from the zone, so they have to be aware of that as well. Furious Gaming has got players knocked. King has been spotted here by Scry, and Scry is going in for the reload with the M416. He is going in for order as well. He knows where the players are. He's trying to quickly switch his position, change his position, and trying to cook the nade. He knows where Jimmy is. If that nade can connect, the nade won't connect, but
they're faster than that. There's Jimmy.
This
This
will be
careful.
interesting.
I'll be getting a right angle on him. I think he's still up.
Guys, Scry is taking some big damage over here, and well, we have Furious Gaming coming in for some knocks over here, and Order versus Pika in the blue zone over here. Scry has managed to, but no, he managed to heal up.
Paraboy winning the trade in Order.
Wonderful,
So
wonderful.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant.
On 7 kills so far.
7 kills.
Yeah, they are in the blue, so they're going to have to get a move on into zone.